Let's not pretend they would have rerouted Elephant Bitte Nicht Storen. Ich bin Schon Gestort Genug. Shirt those funds to social programs, education, or infrastructure rather than giving tax breaks to mega corporations and campaign donors. These are aggregated results. So for every health, Elephant Bitte Nicht Storen. Ich bin Schon Gestort Genug shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, who knows where that money would go? I doubt Elephant Bitte Nicht Storen. Ich bin Schon Gestort Genug shirt, it'd all just dissolve away. But if you want to make that argument, that's fine. The Social Progress Index finds that Americans have health statistics similar to those of people in Chile, Jordan, and Albania, while kids in the United States get an education roughly on par with what children get in Uzbekistan and Mongolia. If we could just think long-term for once in our lives, please. It's still imperative that we dismantle the incentives to have an everlasting, ever-growing war machine. And yes, over time, I do think it'd lead to increased prosperity both here and internationally. I shudder to think of the tens of millions of displaced people and the millions dead. Other products